Want to encode your videos using H.265? HandBrake supports H.265, also known as HEVC, which can provide efficient compression while maintaining good video quality. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to encode H.265 videos in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select the video you want to encode and wait for HandBrake to load it. Before changing anything, check the original resolution, frame rate, and file size so you can compare the final result. Next, open the Presets menu and select a preset that fits your intended use. A general-purpose preset can be a good starting point if you're unsure which settings to use. Presets can handle many of the basic encoding settings while still allowing you to customize them. Now open the Video tab and find the Video Encoder option. Select an H.265 or HEVC encoder available in your version of HandBrake. H.265 can provide smaller files at similar visual quality compared with older codecs, although encoding can take longer depending on your settings and hardware. Next, review the quality setting and frame rate. Constant quality gives you a practical way to balance image quality and file size. Take a moment to keep the frame rate the same as the source unless you have a specific reason to change it. Now open the Audio tab and check the audio tracks and codecs you want to keep. Then open the summary settings and choose your output format and destination. Give the output file a clear name and make sure the destination has enough free storage space. Finally, click Start Encode and let HandBrake process the video. H.265 encoding can take some time, so wait until the process is complete. So once it's finished, play the new file and compare its quality and file size with the original. And that's how to encode H.265 videos in HandBrake. Open your video, select an H.265 or HEVC encoder, adjust the quality and frame rate, review your audio and output settings, and start the encode. H.265 can be a great option when reducing file size is important, as long as your playback devices support it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.